right to be president. Nobody can stop you. You're educated. You've been a governor for 2 times, so you're qualified to say, I want to be president of Nigeria. But that does not mean that because you want to blackmail your party to put them in the bad light against the people of the Southeast, then you now come up to say that you are leaving the party because of the injustice committed by PDP against the people of Southeast. That's not correct. As far as I know, APC, they've not told us where they're sending their presidential ticket. But assuming they're not conceding, they are sending it to Southeast. What gives you that impression that it is you? PDP have not zoned where to go to. But assuming they're not conceding that you go to the Southeast, what tells you that you will be? So in life, it is important for you to know that. Inasmuch as power is sweet, as power is interesting, but conscience is key to everything you are doing in life. So my reaction to Governor Mahi's defection to APC is not that he has no right to defect. No. He has a right. But to say that he's defected because of injustice meted on the people of the Southeast, that would be the most offensive, most insulting to even the people of the Southeast. I didn't know my friend David Umahi has become the spokesperson of the Southeast. He has had to create as if Southeast has a ground. I mean, the APC has a ground in the Southeast. Okay, I said so. If we're talking about injustice, Umahi, the governor of Ebonyi State on that period, Umahi made his junior brother the zonal vice chairman. And where things are, we are talking about justice, equity, and fair play. If you're the governor of Ebonyi State, would you at the same time made your immediate junior brother to be the zonal vice chairman of the party? All you would have said, for justice purpose, okay, since I'm the governor, let this thing go to another people, even in the same state, at least, even in the same state. Well, why should you like job? I'm governor, so let it go to the another local government. Another area, but it shouldn't be a job. So when you're talking about injustice, who perpetrated more injustice? Who perpetrated? And I've told him, and I will come to tell him, my friend, when you attack my party, you attack me. Now you have attacked PDP. I cannot, in good conscience, take it lightly with him. I cannot, in good conscience, take it lightly with him. You have a right to move. And which we know, all of us will know, for the past few years, his romance with APC. In fact, to even go to tell how things are bad. PDP governors will have a virtual meeting. Nobody has ever said that. Nobody can even say that. I doubt you will know whether a man is sincere with you, whether a man you can trust. When he went outside and said, oh, he decided to give President Buhari so percentage. In essence, he didn't vote. He allocated the votes here. Nobody does that. Even if I have a deal, or I had a deal, I don't need to come and tell the public that that was what we agreed as a politician. So, but that will tell you what PDP again as a party, she used this as a lesson to themselves, particularly the National Working Committee. Another governor will leave. And if they pretend that they don't know, then it will be unfair to the party. Well, we know it's not today It's not today. And what Obaye has done, he has told people whom he has planted as state party officers from the ward level to the local government level and to the state level. And then he has assured them he was going to court and he will get injunction to make sure that they are not served. No party will shut his eyes. No party will say, look, with what he has done, they will allow him to control the structured party. Because if you do, it means that will be the end of the party. So I urge the National Working Committee and the NEC to take appropriate measures to make sure that PDP is not dead in Ebonyi State. Yes, APC have come up to try to make noise that, oh, very soon some Southeast governors will join them. I have no problems about that. I have no problems about that. And like I've told people, in Bauchi, PDP won. We were not governor of Bauchi. We were not controlling Bauchi. Right? In Adamawa, PDP won. APC was in control. So there's no law say, oh, because you control social state, it means you will win. Most people are doing that because of our electoral system. If our electoral system is being amended and for president to assure Nigerians and truly to sign for the amendment of the Electoral Act, the mere fact you're a governor does not mean that you can produce another governor. But because of the way the system is running, we believe that once you're with a ruling party, they will give you all the security, they will give you everything that you deserve to win the election. No, it doesn't work out that way. It doesn't work out that way. Yes, I'm a governor. I suffered it. There's nothing I will not do. But I still won election. I was not a governor in 2014, 2015, but I won an election. So it depends on how you are. But I do know, and I can tell you to go to the bank with it. What David Umahi has done today has made him. Politically, David Umahi will know that the politics of Nigeria is not the politics of Ebonyi State. This presidency thing, he will know